It is a hard job. It's the most difficult thing an astronaut has to do. Самый трудный.
All right, guys, here we go. Ready? Ready? 3, 1, 2. Go, 1, 2. Big smile this time.
Good. All right. One second.
We're going to come in and two, please.
All right. Ready? Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Good. Well, that's so
Yep.
They're good.
All right.
Ready, ready, ready. Yes. All right, one more. Yeah. Very nice. If you're right in here. Ready? 1, 2. Alright, guys. Right in here. Here we go. 1, 2.
A little less small.
Like right.
Make me laugh. What about my hair? I have to go visit Kat again. She can square me away.
Heavy editing. Oh, I believe on that one, I think.
One more. Alright, guys, right in here for me. Go, good, good, good. Great. Kevin, just a little head tilt, just touch. Good job, guys. Good. Alright, one more. Big smiles this time. There you go. Good. Got it. Alright. There you go. Right in there. Good job. One more. I'm going to do one not smiling this time? Sure.
Yes, smile.
No, I said not.
No, not smiling this time.
Not smile.
Okay.
Less smile. Less smile.
Smile?
Less. No smile.
Oh, less smile.
Less.
Serious.
Less. Serious. Okay, guys. Here we go. Another one. Here we go. One more smile. Great. Okay, and then no smile this time. Go. Great job, guys. One more. Here we go. Great.
Not so bad.
You guys gonna stay?
Perfect. One more. Good. Big smile this time. Okay.
Today is not a Friday, you know, and we are in jeans. It's according.
It's not Friday, but it's Houston.
Okay.
Gotta look a little
It's
bit like,
against the law.
like a hoedown. Turn you in a little bit more. Yeah.
There you go. It does look like a hard sell.
Look a little bit like Grand Ole Opry here. All right.
Okay. Photoshop will cover that.
That's good.
You all the jeans just. It's all right.
Maybe they'll put some nice pants on us,
Like that, like that.
so we'll look classy like you.
Look who's there on TV right now. Look, it's us. How about that?
CNN. Fox.
Okay, we're good? Good. Person tall. Turn just a little bit more, Chris.
All right, sure. How's that?
Put your legs a little closer together.
Like that? Perfect.
We're done.
Okay, we're all done now.
Yeah, that's fair. All right. There you go. There you go. Good. Here we go, guys. Ready? 1, 2.
Is it for pizza?
Yeah.
Okay.
6-person. No, I'm going to travel together a few passports.
Wait, just grab it.
Okay, guys. Couple more of those. Here we go. Okay, ready? Good. Just a little head tilt that way.
Got it. Okay.
We're good? We're good?
Okay.
All right, once you want to go, 3, 1, 2.
Professional models.
Very nice. No question. All right, here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2. Good.
I blink.
Two more of these. Here we go. And ready.
Good. And Tom and Chris, let me get you guys to switch real quick.
There you go.
That's a little left or right.
Probably facing the same way, Tom. So kind of left shoulder towards me.
That's good.
A little closer. Right there. Good.
How's that?
That looks good, Chris. Tiny, tiny head tilt. There you go. Good. All right, guys. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2.
Yeah, you can do a patch floating right at about hand level. Right. Yeah. Because you can't use the feet for this part.
Right.
That would be something different than we haven't done before.
All right, Sean, like it more. All right, guys. Grin. Here we go. 1, 2.
Sean's the corporate memory.
Is that what's on?
Your camera's working.
Great. Let's just use it.
All right. Perfect. Here we go, you guys. Ready? Okay, come on. Question mark. Great. And here we go. Ready? Perfect. Do 1 or 2 kind of serious. Serious. Just slight expression. Perfect. And here we go. Good. One more smile.
No left.
All right. And here we go. Ready? All right. One last one.
Liar.
This is okay. It's on.
Look.
All right. Grins. And here we go.
Before you take off the PBA, this is particularly true for PBAs for people that have come from the USA. You're going to flip the mask to normal, somewhere in there, take a deep breath. It's actually recommended to me by people that dive that you take 3 or 4 shallow breaths and then a deep breath. Of course, this is going to be oxygen, so that's going to help. Because the air that you're breathing in through the cartridges goes into this common volume and into the mouth nose hole. So we've got a video, it's about 1.5 minutes long. First part of it is doing the visual checks on the mask. The second step is for step 2 here, and the actual first part of the procedure. What I found doing this, actually, I want to breathe, I want to inhale. So you move from this, immediately putting your hands over the cartridges and breathe in, and the mask should suck down to your face. That's the negative pressure. Nice. 6 pages.
So once you have your respirator kit in front of you, you need to take your mask and move the size level. Verify that both orange gaskets are in place at the cartridge attach points. Verify that the white sealing discs are in place on the inside of the cartridge attach points and the nose mount. Block exhalation port with hand, breathe out forcefully. Now block inlet ports of cartridges.
There's one in the SM. This is number 2. The
Yeah.
other one is number 1.
So just carry the big honking one. The little one here.
this one is non-functional.
Anything going on here?
Do you see anything? Why are you closing that?
I heard something in
Oh, you heard something too.
Houston,
He said
based around 1, we see a rapid decrease. We need to in 1.3.
he said he felt something in Columbus too, so he's closing this
Okay,
hatch.
copy that. And just to let you know, we felt something in Columbus. I'm going to press the key button also. And Houston station on 1, can you silence all tones as well, please?
We'll do that.
Yuri, Oleg, and Evgeny, you probably copied the last. Sounds like there was a noise in Columbus. We've closed the hatch. The rapid depress alarm has gone off. We're going to go to procedure 1.3. We're in the lab. Are you guys all down there? Okay, copy that.
No, that's not working. This one.
Oh, sorry.
You want to stay up here? So initial pressure 30. So I don't see it dropping. 1.3.
Yeah, and then you see it dropping.
Nope.
Very good, steady.
Yep. 1.3, and we're using your pages. Right?
Yeah, we should go, but we should go, we've done what we need to do here. We should go back
Should
there.
we head on back?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
738, 139. Bring that along. Do we want to take a PVA or two, or?
I think we should just leave them in their appropriate places.
Just
So
leave
we
it
know
here
where
for
they
now?
are. Yeah.
Okay.
And Yuri, we're on our way back to the service module. It looks like the pressure's holding, but we're on our way back. We'll see you there. Oops, sorry. No, they have another copy. I didn't. There's some in the FTB.
Где вы находитесь?
Окей.
Падаешь. Падает.
You've got the pressure in the front.
I got the initials. 745 copy.
And Yuri, I'm going to call Houston real quick.
Do you have the com config?
Okay.
He's already
Green
done it.
card 745.
745. 745.
It's stable, right?
And stable. Stable.
Houston.
Stable.
Station
745.
745. Let you know where we are. All 6 of us are in the service module. We're in procedure 1.3. It looks like the pressure is stable. The pressure right now is 745, excuse me. And so we're holding here to see if we have any further action, because right now it looks like the pressure is stable.
Okay, we copy. Sunny, and we see the stack pressure is stable, but pressure in Columbus is decreasing rapidly.
Okay, copy that. I guess that's where the leak is.
Has it?
We only closed the Columbus port.
Wait, note to
Oh,
Columbus.
wait a minute.
Oh,
No.
sorry.
Which one did you close?
Note to starboard. Or, yeah, I think so. Note to starboard?
The one that's Columbus port.
Yeah. It's sucked in.
Is it?
Yeah.
Would that hold?
It's sucked that way. Right?
It's
So
sucked.
which hatch is that?
I think
That's the node
Node 2.
Node 2 starboard.
No, just
Where could you
And
find
let
that?
me correct myself. That was node 2 starboard. It sucked closed, so that was
That's what we closed, right?
an obvious catch of where the leak was, either in the Columbus or the vestibule. But right now that one is sucked closed.
Okay, we copy them to starboard, suck closed.
heard something.
Catch.
It sounds like the situation is safe for the moment, and stand by if we want to take further action.
Okay, copy that.
I wanted to push before and I tried to talk intercom.
Yeah.
But you didn't answer. I asked you a few times and I realized we have no intercom. I start just taking SG
Yeah.
and he was just saying time hold to ground. So
then we all knew.
Things
That's my
going on,
point.
but
Yeah.
I know. I thought it's you push button.
I thought you. I didn't know you pushed it.
just push just in case if you.
I was just about to. My finger was like right near
You
there.
will be a little late because I knew you need to.
My point is, I think we all had it established with the ground.
Yeah.
All the crew knew, and then the button gets
No,
pushed.
you said it's not. Why I wanted to,
1.3.
yeah, that's why I wanted to push button.
Okay.
If you didn't tell
Good.
me, that's what I need to know. Proceed or not?
Yeah.
You said, yeah, let me think and I tell you later what to do.
Okay.
That's why I'm
So
asking.
if we say that's cool.
Yeah,
If we
I
say
follow
1.3,
procedure.
we say
Doesn't matter.
1.3, push the
Yeah,
button.
you or me doesn't matter.
Okay. Or the ground.
Rise,
Or the ground.
or the ground.
So if anybody says 1.3, throw it.
Only because you said 1.3.
Okay.
That's why I did.
All right.
You're
I
welcome.
agree.
Yeah.
I agree. Yes. All right. Cool.
All right.
Cool. Very good.
You ready for us to turn our mics on?
Aki and Kevin, if you're forward, I see smoke in Node 2. Come on after the lab.
Grab this.
I think I'm going to be pushing the button.
Push the button.
And you can know there's smoke in Node 2. Close the hatch.
Be careful.
You got everybody out of there, right? Sunny, Joe?
Yeah, that's it.
Everybody was out.
Yeah, no, just let it.
Oh, just a little.
Let's oh, let me switch.
You guys say CP? There's another flashlight. Can you grab that on the way?
Let's just take a quick stop here in the reading room.
Sonny, you're not on the mask. So
I'm not on the
we're
mask.
okay?
I'm okay right now.
I'm going to close this off and take it off.
Well, let's get readings here. So what are our numbers, Tom?
Readings in the node 1 are 5, 0.2, and 0.
And can we get them in the lab?
Lab 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
4.9, 2.7.
Okay. So I'm asking 200, right?
200.
200, right? Okay.
200.55 or 200?
10.5.
Right? Still 10.5. Okay.
And Houston Station on Space Ground 1, emergency procedure 2.12. We've got all 6 crew members up here in the lab ready to support. Look through the hatch window and it looks like there's still light smoke in the node.
Yes.
And Houston Station on Space to Ground 1, we're preparing masks, respirators, and we're just sort of standing by on step 4, procedure 2.12. Just tell us what you would advise us to do there.
Okay, then we copy and we're checking.
They can probably
command
it too.
Well, are they going to do that? I don't know if they're going to. They're probably going to do it. And Houston, just let us know if you'd like us to remove module power, or if you want to wait, or if you guys want to remove module power. That's step 4.
I think that would be like the cabin. You'd rather not keep it on, have it on a pump? Okay. We'll just compare these two then, the one on the pump and the one not.
Yeah,
just
EPS, RPCM, LA.
On Space Ground 1, we'd like you to move to 6.10 unless you know what the source is.
6.10.
Okay, so that's the other book.
Yeah. Kevin's on it.
Okay, copy that. We're opening up EMER 2 6.10, and just to let you know, once again, we've got a leg beginning, and you're preparing the respirator.
Did you see an RPC? Didn't see anything?
Okay, we copy that.
There's nothing at all. Okay.
They gave us the. So tell me which one it was again before we head up. I'll just memorize.
Starboard 4, Golf 1.
Starboard 4,
Golf 1.
Okay, if our
Who doesn't like golf? And you know where it is?
Starboard 4, Golf 1.
Where's the little diagram?
Yeah. If you want to show it to us before we. Okay, so these are already built.
So sort of like we talked about, right?
Starboard 4, Golf 1. And we should take kind of prep a fire extinguisher too.
I got one.
You got that.
But if you're going to shoot this, you need to
put it all together.
So starboard 4, Golf 1. Okay, so as you go in from the lab, it's on the port side there?
No.
Wait, that doesn't make sense. It should be on the starboard side.
Starboard 4,
Golf 1.
Yeah.
Starboard 4.
Starboard 4.
Golf 1.
I think that's like a rotated picture there. It's a little confusing.
Yeah. It is a little rotated, but.
Okay, what step you are looking on?
So we're in step 2.2.
So we're going to go in and sample the atmosphere, and then look behind the panel and compare the readings, and then we'll report them back to you on the page level. Does that sound good?
And Aki, I need you here with the CSACP because they're going to open up. So me and you need to be ready for PBAs in case it gets bad, right? So we need to CSACP here.
Got one here. And they're going to take another one.
You're taking the sample port, and we probably need another one. Because we want here one, right? Oh, okay, you guys have two. Awesome. Great.
Maybe leave those here.
Yep.
And then test this. If you can keep an eye on the CSACP reading, just make sure that smoke's not coming in.
And Kevin, in starboard port, Golf 1, Smith for fire port. Have the hatch open for monitoring CSACP reading on the lab.
So 30 seconds on here. What do I see in here?
In the cabin,
Cabin with all the
you're seeing 298, 9.1, 6.3.
behind that port. Very high level behind that port. Bigger than 400.
Starboard 4?
Yeah.
Greater than 400.
That ground fire port, we see high level.
For fire port, we have pretty high readings, somewhere around 400. We'll get a number shortly.
Okay, let's go ahead and move back out for just a minute here. Yuri?
Is it going up or stable?
Oh, that's a good question.
And you can use bigger.
When we come back out, I'll see Okay, we should do step 3, right? Yeah.
Can we have a background reading in those two?
Step 3. You want to do step 3 now? Step 3? Step 3? 3, yeah.
Step 3.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. You want a background? And Kevin, get a background reading.
Round 1, step 3 of the
Okay, what's my latest background? And we'll head back
In
down.
background, 301,
Okay, yeah.
9.3, 6.5.
Okay, let's go back to the lab. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we've got about 300 in the cabin, 450 behind the cabin.
300 in the cabin, 450 behind the panel.
Just so we all know where we're going after this, we'll go in and sample again. And if it's above, then we're going to be going to node 2 electrical power off. The ground is ready for this. So they're going to ask this question. Sample fire port for 5 minutes, and we'll record the values every 30 seconds.
How long do you want to wait?
Step 3 is done, yeah. So we're next into step 4. Just to let you know, when they unpowered that, the starboard ATU doesn't work, so don't try and use it.
Okay, we'll just come back to that talk.
Okay.
You can use them.
Yeah, okay.
Legal readings.
Just throwing off the things that
Advanced planning.
697. Okay. All right. Good luck.
Goodbye, guys.
Be safe out there.
We use that also.
Almost same for cabin.
Almost same for cabin. Okay, same level. Yeah.
Houston, just to let you know, we've reopened the hatch. It really wasn't closed. We sort of pre-treated it anyway. But Yuri and Kevin are back in there. The background reading we did the node 2 is about the same, around 300.
Fireport reading is 455.
455.
Fire port reading 455. I think it's a little high, but it's about the same.
We'd like to know if the starboard 4 rack readings are increasing.
Yeah, it increased a little bit. It's about 455, but that rate has decreased, it seems like, from before.
So please, commander at the center, and the other crew members on the side.
Людмила, тебя уже не уважают.
Да вообще уже, это я молчу просто.
Ребят, внимание, пожалуйста.
Okay, look here, guys. Please smile.
Да.
Я не знаю, у них, по-моему,
Вы все, я здесь на месте. Вы все сфотографировали? Нет, не фотографировали.
Улыбаемся.
Smile, please.
Помахать рукой, если есть желание.
And you're welcome to wave your hand.
Я просто не слышно. А, извиняюсь.
It's difficult to hear you. Sorry.
Можно, конечно, сразу проверять высоту, где у вас будет прогулка, начинаемся. Что загрузили машину, это все так же, как просто. Одеть себе привязную, одеть перчатки, используем 4. Да, нет, это очень большое время. Потому что раньше привязную, писала уже потом.
Надо соединилось. Я мысль на не, мы просто ходим. Да.
Если уже как бы у вас есть
Так, кто отработал, Хоу, видите?
Even if we're for Beaumont, we could put it down to 6750. That might be a little shorter than we need. In Beaumont, which is kind of heavyweight, we may not want to just put it right on there. We can come. All right.
Seat real quick. Or if I feel like I'm getting close. Press. Okay. And then, let's see, we get hypoxic, we have bad oxygen in the aircraft.
how to give oxygen.
Yep, you got your, not a green apple anymore, but got that in the yank it.
Okay. All right. That's actuated when we ride the rails. If we have
That's automatically actuated. Yep, we have it right up.
All right.
If I come down, I don't have a seat kit yet. I can pull that up.
Okay. Sounds good.
You got that one?
I'll get this one.
All righty.
Creek. What am I doing?
Looks good to me.
Dragon, do we still have a couple things we're going to look at on this display, this triangle here? Remember that? Where I said I want to see no messages. And
Yeah, we don't have to worry about that today. But yeah.
Because that changes and stuff around. The Cygnus is going to have that too, right?
Yes.
Okay.
2 pins.
2 pins.
One pin.
One pin.
Over the pin.
Pin. Envelope. Let's grapple. Squeeze. Paste. Capture close. And we're looking for original position here. Capture matches no. Magic number 17.
Yes.
17. Past 17. So load safe.
All right.
Right?
Right. 1.5 meters.
Доложил, вот инженер. Хорошо. Как обычно, Вопросы? Спасибо. Порядок? Нормально. Спасибо. Спасибо.
Good.
Успехов.
Спасибо.
На подарки. О, подарки.
Вот так я взял.
Уважаемая комиссия, следующий экипаж корабля «Союз ТМА-06М». Сдача экзаменационной тренировки по кораблю готовы. Командир корабля Игнат Романов. Доброе утро. Правильно, правильно. Я разбил сердце. Можете перейти. Какие-нибудь вопросы? Все понятно? Спасибо. Если вопросов нет, помните, где тренажер? Какой? Так, удачи тренировки. Удачи. Удачи. Спасибо. Ну надо как всегда. А как всегда? Как?
Дружба. Спасибо.
Нормально?
Телефон приводится в рабочее состояние бедствия. На 2 секунды вот эта клавиша.
Radio button so you can see. And this will auto-populate.
Gotcha.
Nice. So it's a little harder to read out.
All right.
So we have to auto-cycle them once a year if we don't use them. Our agreement, however, is we're not going to auto-cycle.
Very long charge cable, 12 foot. EMU, either of these, right? Is that good? Should be should be the EMU lithium-ion battery, long charge cable, 12 foot. It is. Okay. Either end of the 120 volt power cable can be installed, but to functionally work, cable ends must be installed according to their labels. Have to use the labels. Yeah. So, on the charger, as required, remove the caps on the charger and the cable connectors, and then we want to connect the the EMU lithium-ion battery. Why?
EMU battery charger.
Y is the 28 volt power cable, the 9-foot 28 volt power cable, okay? And the end that says EMU lithium ion battery, and connect it to the charger power connector. A output connector. And 12 foot goes to charger channel A, B, or A and B output connector. Which one?
Yeah. So we can charge one or both of them.
The volt step is required. So we need to record the battery volts,
It's 18.51 in this
temperature,
case.
and module volts in table 1. Report to Houston with him. So I see. How do you read this? I see 18.51 volts, I think, and then battery temp 20. Battery volts, temperature, and module volts. Module. 5 modules?
Yeah.
Volts. Okay.
Record them all.
That's all right. We write these in the table, and we report them to the ground. Do you want me to write them down?
No, sir.
Okay.
Come from your Reba BSA.
See what we're doing.
And you're going to connect that to the aux
Reba
charge
BSA
port.
cable. I found the aux charge port. I found a plug that looks right.
Yeah.
Sounds like about right. Does it say something on it? No, but we assume we got the right guy. Nicely tied up.
Usually these things actually have like battery charger port right up here, and it's kind of hidden down here. So if I were to do it, I would make it a little better.
All right. See.
So.
Didn't say.
I'm sorry, didn't say.
Off or on?
Switch.
Oh, they should be off.
Expect the entries off message, display close, switch fan off, expect the switch off, message. Okay, Actex sample adapter, take it off. Right? This. And it's 20.1. So, EMU bisect filter we've connected for the picture. Temperature valve, max cold. Check status, water temperature, record the water temperature on the PCM. As compliments, tell Houston, switch fan to on.
This, and I wanted to show where it says the
Template?
Which one?
Start thinking about how life
Absolutely. You don't want to have a problem. Wave, stay wave. Very good. Say bye, Chris. Wave bye, bud. He makes flashes. That's awesome.
Welcome to
Nash OSTPV. So today we have our DPC, we have and we do throw OSTPV together. We're starting up some PCS.
Soyuz is located at GB.
Want to take a look at this? Yeah, well, I don't know how the Soyuz is on the FGB Nader. What happened to the meme?
I don't know if any of these caution messages are real for this now, but
yeah, I know.
Generally they are. Yeah.
So for me, you saw they had an outstanding question in the daily summary for you, Tom. They were going to answer.
Thanks.
It's on like the second page here. Answer for Tom. So
give me 2 minutes. I check everything inside.
That's great.
In a second.
Yeah, there's time. Sure.
Oh, well, not really. The Russians are in control, masters. So we are in. We're not in. We're in drift. Huh.
Really? What's attitude control?
The Russians are masters. Thrusters are only in drift.
Why?
I don't know.
Why are we in thrusters only?
Yeah.
Is that what it said? It's not what I thought I saw. Yeah, I think CNC was 1, 2, 3, wasn't it?
Yep.
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
1. Certainly, yeah.
Primes on 1, backups on 2, standbys on 3. Did you ever look at COM?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Okay.
S-band.
Let me look what you got there.
Stream 2.
I want to check the class.
Otherwise, you get a lot of cautions. So, well, green card, everything is like you see it in the daily summary.
Okay. Роман, что интересно здесь? Русский сегмент управляется сейчас только предыдущий.
Окей.
We the TEA.
Здравствуйте.
Yeah, we TEA сейчас.
Окей. Так. Значит, level 1, starboard from G2.
DPC начинается через минут 5.
G1, FG. Здесь нет.
Через S-band у нас нет.
Anything else for the morning? DPC.
I understand this right.
You guys on the comm, we're having trouble getting that set up, so just assume you have comm when you need it.
Okay, thanks.
We'll try and make it look right as soon as we can.
So will we.
You can pretend the meme is there, but yes, your UFO uses at the SCD. Not all for purposes of today.
Copy.
Okay, that's all we have from Houston. Do you have any questions for us before I hand you over to Huntsville?
Nope.
We are going to have Munich, Scuba, or Moscow. They won't have anything for you, so that's it.
Good. Okay, as I understand it then, the DPC is complete. We have no further questions, and we'll start into OSTPB a little bit early.